Sorry, we're not interested.
Listen up, guys. If you don't want to be bothered by annoying people at your front door, I'm going to show you how to set up your Ring Video doorbell to take voicemails for you. Go ahead and open up the Ring app and navigate to your video doorbell. Go to settings in the top right corner and then scroll down to Smart Response. From here, toggle this switch to turn the feature on. You can go to response time to set a response time anywhere from 2 seconds to 30 seconds. And what's really awesome, you can go to quick reply messages, and these are a list of messages that your doorbell will play.
Please leave the package outside. We'll be right there. We're not interested. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.